In this video, what I'm going to do a quick little review and kind of like testing of a LED light for a car. These are the H4 LED lights, and it's, you know, they're called the Terminator LED. And this is by the company Fahren, I think's how you would say that, F-A-H-R-E-N. Light your way home. And just kind of like looking over the box here, it's a 12,000 RPM fan built into them, a CAN bus ready, easy installation, and off-road ready. And I had bought these, you know, I have a small car that I just wanted to upgrade the lights on. And you know what? I found these, and I figured I'd give these a try. Look at this presentation, y'all. I absolutely love how well presented these lights are. This looks awesome. And it looks like you have some sort of little zip ties with some plastic. You got some instructions here. Looking over the quick, a little look over the instructions. We'll come back to those, but let's just go ahead and open these up and see what you get. I don't know what that is. That must be something to up the energy output. This will plug in, so you know what? You just stick them in like that. You twist them in, and there's a fan on the back of these to keep these things cool. That's awesome. I've never seen a headlight with a fan on it. And here's the, you know, a left and a right, and I think that's all you get in the package there. And just looking over the instructions here, yeah, you know, if you've ever replaced a headlight, it's just the same. So the zip ties, they're wanting you to zip tie it down to something. Zip tie this part down, so I guess it's just not bouncing around there. Color temperature 6,500 K, and I think that's pretty much it. You know what? I've changed light bulbs. It looks like there's not much to it. You're just going to stick that in and then lock that in place, and then plug that in and then secure that down. So let me show you the car with what's in there now with the halogen lights. All right, everybody, I just installed it on this side. This is an older model Nissan car that I have, and it's got really bad headlights on it. They actually need to be polished up a little bit. I might polish them up and try to get some of that oxidation out. But here's the original. They're the H4 headlights, and I just went ahead and installed one of the Terminators here, and you could see how I zip tied that little piece down right there, and then it just plugs up. It goes in right there, and then it just plugs up. I will clip that off. And this side over here is still the original headlight over here. Let me turn them on and show you what they look like in the daytime. Okay, I just turned them on, and you could see this is your normal halogen light right here. It's kind of a yellowish kind of tint to it, and then looking at this side, it's a very bright, kind of like really shining like white light, which is like a kind of looks like an LED if you ask me. So there's the LED light over there, and there's the regular headlight right here. So what I will do, let me click over to the nighttime and let you see these things in the night, and that way you can compare them side by side before I put both of them in here. So that way we'll see what they look like. So let's do that now. All right, everybody, here it is. It's nighttime. Let's go ahead and let's turn the lights on now that I moved the car over here to the facing this building right here. The Terminator ones are on the left over here, and the regular one is on the right. You can definitely see how the left side is way overshadowing the right side. And let's look at it from head on. Look at the difference in my headlights right here. That is so much brighter. This has more like a orangish tint, and that has that really bright white tint. But then looking at it from the windshield area, look at the left side compared to the right side. I am super impressed with these things. So I'm going to go ahead and put both in there, and then get it and take it for a test drive and see what it looks like. But that's it, everybody. That's all I got on the Terminator headlights. Highly recommend these things. See you guys in the next video. Woo!